So this is a stretch of road that my wife and I like to drive down. It gets us, you know, going away from town, a little bit more rural. And we've driven it multiple times, so we're pretty familiar with the curves, the bumps, just most familiarity with it. This is the newer Jeep. We started off with a 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited with a 2-liter e-torque engine and loved it. The other vehicle we had was a 2018 Ram 2500 diesel. That was my forever truck. Loved it to death. Thought I was going to turn it into an overlanding rig. And then we got the Jeep, and that thing became a driveway queen. So we'd had the other Jeep for a while, but I figured, heck, we might as well capitalize on the trade-in values and get another Jeep. So we traded that one in for the 2021 JLUR ecoDiesel. Love it even more. Like the color combination on the other one, it was the Recon edition, but we really liked that engine combination as well, but it was no longer available. So this is kind of the recap of the road, and what I want to do is right now the vehicle still has the stock steering stabilizer in it, so you kind of got a view of the road, lots of bumps, a few curves, and so what I want to do is as I'm retracing that route, I'm going to call out as I'm making corrections on the steering wheel. So here we go. Yeah, crap. I tried to equalize my tire pressure, and now it's 33 on the right too. Right. Right. Little left. Hands off right now. Right hand turn. Glide. Here's the really bumpy section. Hands off. Right. Right. Left. 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 And into the left turn. And I can see the road is pitched to the right just a bit. Now I'm starting to do some right correction. A little too much. Back to the right. And another right turn. Okay. A little right correction. And a little left counter correction. A little left. Turn. Okay. Right correction. Left correction. It's slowly going to the right, but that's where I need to be anyways. Turn. The stretch of road has a slant to the right to it. I did eventually start coming down to the right, but I didn't correct. I was expecting it was going to make it harder to turn the wheel.
Yeah, that's what
But it feels like it actually is. It does feel like it's a little easier.
Yeah, it's easier.
And I can't explain why. Because you are pushing against the pressurized stabilizer. So maybe it
But it does seem to kind of drive itself in a way.
Do you feel like you're making fewer corrections?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, I'm not making any corrections. That's why I'm surprised that the steering wheel itself, like I'm not even holding it. When you turn it, it's so easy, because I would have thought it would have been tighter too. Because it's stiffer. It's pretty cool.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, do you want me to put the other one on your Jeep?
Yeah. Yeah, because I feel like yours is always handled a little bit better. And I'm sure that has something to do with the diesel suspension, maybe. I don't know. What would cause it to...
Well, yeah, there's that stiffer springs for sure.
Yeah.
And then the heavier, a little more weight in the front end.
Oh, yeah. Yours is definitely heavier. But yours does handle a little bit better. Naturally, just stock. Not that I'm trying to get people to buy diesels.
But I was not expecting much difference. I was expecting to not to really be able to notice the change.
Yeah. You can.
Yeah. So I'm hopeful that it's a more pronounced